When I've been at Mercy Hospital with my father in the past, the care has been excellent. The staff here is just top-notch and excellent people.
The success of our surgical staff has been tremendous.
My one area of probably concern with Mercy Hospital would be just a space factor. I think the operating room waiting area is...
The current project is made up of improvements made to the pre-surgery area, the operating room and its equipment therein, and the recovery room area. We're behind on our technology. We're behind on some of the things that we need to really deliver the top quality care that we are capable of giving and that we've been waiting to give.
Our current setting preoperatively is the rooms are very, very small. It really impacts our patient experience. It's not as good of an experience as we could give to our patients.
We just kind of outgrew our physical plant.
Waiting area is really crowded. There's a lot of people in there on a busy day.
How can we make this experience better for you? Because we know it's tough.
Our main recovery room is called our PACU. We have 14 bays in our PACU. The bays are very, very small. Oftentimes the PACU is full, and when it's full, we actually have difficulty pushing the carts around the patients.
That's problematic. I mean, that doesn't make a patient feel like privacy is being respected.
The operating rooms that we are in now are all different sizes and shapes. Some are too small for certain cases, so big cases may go into some rooms, but then those cases wouldn't be able to go into some of our smaller rooms. We don't have enough rooms to run all the cases that we could run right now, so they stack up and they go further into the evening. The new space, you can almost put any case in any room. Oh, I'm really excited.
Our new space, our plan is to have 28 private rooms with actual walls and a door.
We're going to be able to get more done, to have less backlogs of patients waiting to have surgery done.
Dr. Yu's influence on the culture and staff has been one of teaching and bringing everybody together is unbelievable.
May of last year, I was diagnosed with a form of lung cancer. I had 2 surgeries in May and then underwent chemo and radiation. I just waited to feel better, working kind of part-time since December. It's just absolute heaven to come back to work. I mean, I can't tell you.
He's probably one of the best people that I've met in my life.
I think that Mercy Hospital does a tremendous job and try to be great stewards towards medicine in the community. And I think that the contributions, whether large or small, when they come in, we make the most of them, and we really are very proud of what we can do with what we have.
I would say to the donors of Mercy Hospital that you have an excellent caregiving staff here, and that I think your investment would be well served by donating to them.